Hi everybody, welcome back to Life in the Empty Nest. I am Vicki, and today we are doing yet another bathroom makeover. Last time we did a quick makeover of our little house Lou, and today we are going to tackle the hall bathroom in our main house. As most of you know, if you've tuned in before, we started building this house probably about 5 years ago. And we have lived in it now for a little over 3, probably closer to 3.5 now, which is great. And being the serial decorator that I am, I get pretty bored of things pretty quickly. So I do a lot of little makeover type stuff where it's not major construction, it's just really giving things a facelift. And you know how. Might need a little facelift now and then. Yeah, maybe soon. Anyway, so today the hall bath, it also functions as our guest bathroom and also has an entrance into the guest bedroom. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it. It just needed a little pizzazz, and that's what we're gonna do today. We'll show you a quick tour before so you can see what it looked like, and then I'll kind of go over the things that we are going to do to it today. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom, and I showed you this before. Say hi, Will.
Hey.
That's the other half of the nest, and you know, if I'm honest, he does most of the work. He makes my ideas come to life. So we have this old dresser that we converted into the sink and took the drawers out and made it a door, which we love, and it's going to stay. So basically what we're doing here, we're gonna take it out today because we have a fabulous wall mural for these walls. We are also going to change where's my finger here? There we go. The faucet and the light fixture. It should be a day project, right?
Pretty close.
Should we talk about the last time we hung wallpaper together?
No. We almost got a divorce over it.
Yeah. A divorce or murder, you know, could have happened that day. So yeah, this is small. It is smaller what we're doing today, but I think we have a lot more experience with stuff now, because that legitimately was, you know, 15 years ago. I think it was when our daughter was 9 or something. So she's almost 25. So there you go. So wish us luck. We'll show you the process. Okay, so this is the mural that's gonna go on the wall. That's the finished mural. It's so beautiful. Has little birdies, and we kind of measured, hopefully, and figured out how we want to place it in the bathroom, and we are going to start from the last panel to the first. Maybe that's not a good idea, but maybe it isn't. I don't know. We'll see. You'll see. The wallpaper is pre-pasted, so you just have to activate it with a spray bottle. So here we go. Okay, so what we're doing here is we've measured the wall. Our ceilings are 10 feet in there, but where the armoire sits that the sink is on, we can cut off 25 inches because it'll be covered. That way we won't have to go around plumbing holes and everything. And we won't have to waste the wallpaper because maybe we could use it for something else. You sure we cut right, measured right?
Yep.
Okay. You hit it here, folks. He has much steadier hands than I do. It says to just spray it in long strokes, and then we're going to book it. Paying close attention to the sides, the edges, to activate the glue. Take both edges, put it toward the middle, paying close attention to the edges, making sure the edges are moist. And then you leave it like this for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll see if it works. But don't make a crease, it says. And then roll it up like you would a loose newspaper. There we go. Okay.
Good.
So let's let it sit here for a few minutes, and then we'll hang it on the wall. The moment of truth. Okay, first panel is up. It's you know, it's not super user friendly. It's just, it's not sticking as well, but that mainly probably is because we have textured walls. Ours are very minimally textured, but they're textured nonetheless. Okay, so we're on the third panel, and that one's not sticking as well. It just doesn't seem as sticky, so we may have to like go to some wallpaper paste. But it's looking really beautiful, I think. Okay, so we have some like measurement issues. But this is going around the shower door, so we're just trying to make sure we're cutting the right piece. Had a few challenges, but it's all good. All good. Now we are a few hours in, and wallpaper is pretty much up. We've had a few little challenges with it sticking. We are going to put in the new faucet, put the vanity back. I will let you have a look at the progress so far. Give you a little progress report. The mural's up. We have some splicing to do. The faucet's in. We have a backsplash piece that goes back here. We have to put that in. Working on the light fixture. It's gonna go right up there. But it's pretty spectacular. We also have to put the hooks on where you hang your towels. And they go somewhere in this vicinity over here. So we needed a kind of a little backsplash in there due to maybe some measurement issues, or just because it's gonna look fantastic.
I think you ran out of wallpaper.
We didn't run out of wallpaper. So we are making a shelf out here. This is kind of the raw state of a piece of cedar that we bought, and then this is the finished product that's gonna go in the bathroom.
Cut from this, right?
Yep.
Cleaned
Finished
up.
product, cleaned up, and it'll go like a backsplash. And I think it'll look really good in there. Okay, so this is intended to be our reveal day, but I just effed up. So, wallpaper is tricky. Everybody who's ever done wallpaper knows it's tricky, right? Maybe that's better. So I just got out my lovely spray adhesive here and was just gonna put a little bit behind one of the pieces that just refuses to stick. And guess what happened? It took the color right out. So thankfully, our daughter is here right now, and she's an artist, so we're gonna do a little patchwork and painting the edges. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, it's done. So let's have a look through. First of all, I want to let you know that we came in at about $500, and I'll kind of show you the things that we added. So what we did, as you know from the saga of the wallpaper mural, we put up this beautiful mural from Anthropologie, and I just love it. I think it adds kind of a moodiness to the bathroom and just is a wow factor in my opinion. We had the hooks for the towels and stuff from before. We got a new light fixture and a new mirror from Target. The light fixture's from Wayfair, the mirror's from Target, and a new gold toned faucet. So that was also from Wayfair. Then we added in, as you saw, the live edge cedar piece to kind of hide some mistakes back there from measurement mistakes, but live and learn. And that's really about it. So that's our new bathroom. And I know most people don't drink champagne in the bathroom, but I really feel like this deserves champagne. So if you like this video, please click the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment. Aloha.